Okay, we're making sponge cake. I'm over at Kimi's. She says I have to wear an apron.
Don't have to.
I don't?
It's making you look official. We have 3 eggs. We're going to separate them.
Aren't they already separated?
No.
They're
Separate
not
the egg
joined.
from the yolk from the white.
Oh.
So
that sounds a little more difficult.
So I'm going to have you separate the egg whites and the egg yolks.
How do I do that?
Okay, so what you do, take an egg.
Oh,
I have
you got a little
egg
device.
separator.
Oh, I thought you had to do
Here,
by
my
hand,
handy.
like.
You could do it by hand. Right? Oops.
Oh my gosh.
And you just go like this, toss it back and forth. And
I think I like your way better, the other way better.
the egg yolk, no, this is good to know. The, oh, there we go. Egg shell is a natural cutter of egg white. And also, if you ever got a shell in, like, say, you crack the egg and you got a shell in it, use the egg shell and to remove that, to scoop it out. To scoop that little piece of egg. If you try to do it with your fingers or if you try to do it with a spoon, it'll run away from you. But if you use an eggshell, it'll actually pick it up easier.
Okay, good tip. Power tip.
Power tip.
Power tip.
See, I have 1 egg left for you to do.
Woo! All right. All right. I'm breaking it. Whoa, whoa. Nice, I did it.
Yeah.
The Grinch ate it.
Oh, I see. You shake it out. Oop, I got a shell in there.
Get the shell out. I don't want shell.
Ooh, I did it.
His head wasn't screwed on just right.
Okay, so what are we doing now?
So we're going to combine the egg whites with some cream of tartar.
Cream of tartar.
In the mixer. So you gotta let me grab the cream of tartar.
Cream of tartar. Oh, look at all that. Mixer.
Here we go. 3 egg whites in.
Yes.
And
That's like a serious machine.
then a pinch of cream of tartar.
Pinch? Always wondered how much a pinch is.
There's about a pinch.
Okay. Yeah, what does cream of tartar do?
Keeps the frothiness or keeps it stiff.
Got it. I don't know how to stop this thing.
Now we're going to add 3/4 cup of sugar.
1/4 cup of sugar to the egg white and tartar.
So turn it on low.
Low.
And slowly sprinkle it in. So this is like a 1/2 cup. And then so I'm going to add a 1/2 of the 1/2 cup, which makes 3/4.
Okay.
A little bit of math.
I'm not good with numbers.
It's okay.
Or
It's
fractions.
fractions. Add the 3 egg yolks now.
3 egg yolks.
And of course the egg white is just at, this is soft peak consistency.
Soft peak.
1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Just lightly. Okay.
Oh, very little.
Very little.
Very technical. You got to be very precise.
Well, not totally, but you don't want to dump a bunch in. So now we're going to put in our flour. We're going to sift our flour. And we are using Swan's Down cake flour.
Now, why is that not just regular flour?
So it's just a really very fine milled flour. So yeah, so we're gonna do 3/4 cup of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder.
All right.
So. Alright, and this. Sift it together.
Sifting together. So what does it mean to sift together?
So basically, You
You're just
put it all
blending
in
it,
and
or-
sift it. Yeah.
Okay.
So put all your stuff in. Sift it together. I have to add salt too, and a dash of salt.
A dash. Here we go. A dash. So we add a little bit of salt. A little kosher salt?
No, just regular salt.
Regular salt.
Yeah, regular salt. Okay, so here we go. Our flour mixture.
Flour mixture. Okay.
Yep.
So we have a spatula with the flour ingredients.
I'm gonna give this a little bit of a stir.
Okay, a little bit of a stir.
A little mix because we put those egg yolks in. So you don't want to get rid of that air that you've already formed
Okay.
from your egg whites. Add a little bit. Combine it in. This is just folding. You fold your cake flour in.
Okay, folding. So folding is just, it's not stirring, it's
Correct.
gently stirring.
So you take go around the side of the bowl, go down to the bottom, and turn the wet onto the dry. Basically.
Okay, okay. So I'm in charge of folding the rest of the batter. I'm folding. Look at me fold. Okay, so it's
our
all
batter.
folded. Okay.
It's all folded. We're gonna just use 2 6-inch cake pans. Just like this.
And is there oil in there? Is that I see?
No, it's ungraced.
You need an apron.
So
We're steaming
I'm
this.
steaming it. I'm putting it in a steamer pan,
All right.
and then
Water at the
bubbles,
bottom.
Water at the bottom. Yep.
Okay, okay.
And put the lid on and steam for 20 minutes.
Yummy. Low heat.
Ready?
Ready?
Now here you go.
Whoa.
So as it's on top, it bounces back at you when you push it down. So you know it's done. It's
Bounces back.
Yeah, see if you push it like
It's
that.
spongy?
It's spongy, yeah.
Yummy.
It's not gonna sink in. That means it's undercooked.
Okay,
So,
okay.
Yeah.
Was you gonna be the taste tester?
So,
Come here. Come here, you.
and see, this one's a little smoother.
Yeah.
Even.
Okay, so.
Okay, so the sponge cake is cooled now. And then we just take a spatula or knife or something and go around the
scoop around
edge. This happens to be a removable bottom cake pan, so I can just pop it up.
Oh,
like
easy.
that.
Nice.
But it generally pops up pretty easily. Comes.
There we go. Right. Thank
Okay.
you. Mmm. So the story is, it reminds me of my childhood. We had Chinese sponge cake during Chinese New Year's, and so the smell just kind of brings me back to my childhood and all the memories of that time. And it tastes wonderful.
Does it taste okay?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good.
What do you think? Is it
Yeah.
up? Is it
Up to par.
up to par?
Not bad.
That's really good. Totally reminds me of childhood. Thank you.
Yep, no problem.
Fist bump.